video I'll be teaching you how to lock your profile on Facebook. First, open your Facebook app.
Click the 3 line there.
Then scroll down and click Settings and Privacy. Next is Look for Language. Look for the language on screen. Go to your profile. Then click the 3 dots. Then tap the lock sign like shown on screen. Tap the blue bar.
Tap the blue bar again. Refresh. Go to Settings again.
Then change the language to English. You can always unlock your profile
by going to your profile page.
Click the 3 dots. Click the Unlock Profile there. Tap Unlock. Then unlock your profile.
You can also check if it goes well.
Just copy your profile link.
Then log in your other account that is not friend of your locked account.
Just copy-paste your link on search bar.
I can't screenshot that part, so I captured it on another phone. It works amazing. Try it now.